Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So for today's recipe, we're showing you how to make this delicious sweet treat that you can literally make within 1 minute. So for this recipe, you will need coconut powder, chocolate glaze, and condensed milk. The amount of ingredients you will need depends on how much of this sweet you want to make. So for the first step, you're just going to want to mix the condensed milk with the coconut powder. And once the mixture looks like this, you can go ahead and roll the mixture into small balls like so. After you've rolled all of them, you can go ahead and dip them in chocolate, either fully like this, or halfway like this. And that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Press the notification button to stay updated on our latest videos and share this with your friends. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to get notified about our latest videos.